Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product facial expressions recognitions based on cognition and mapped binary patterns. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. Hence, the facial expression analysis is a remarkable and demanding problem and impacts the significant applications in various fields like human-computer interaction and then the data-driven animations. Hence, the facial expression is more important one to recognize the activity of the humans. Hence, this is the developing an efficient facial recognition representation from the original face image is an crucial step for achieving the facial expression recognition. Facial representation is based on the statistical local features, then local binary pattern, that is the LBP, is partially accessed. Several machine learning techniques were thoroughly observed on various databases. Hence, we proposed this method to improve the quality of the facial expression recognition, and also we have to done the data sets which proven we have achieved the more accuracy. Hence, the LBP features which are effectively and competent for the facial expression recognition are generally used by researchers is the database for present work and then the programming language using in the Matlab. First, the face area is divided in small regions by which the histograms and then the local binary patterns are extracted and then the concatenated into one single feature vector. That concatenated feature is known as the test feature. This feature vector outlines in well-organized representation of the face and is helpful in determining the resemblance among the images. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the image acquisition, that is the image getting from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several images. After getting any one image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. This pre-processing step, the noise filtering is done by using the Gaussian filter. Gaussian filter is used to remove the white noise present in the image. After that, the noise removal, the noise-free images get out from the pre-processing. After that, the face detection is carried out by using the Violations method. This Violations method, the face region is extracted and then the other backgrounds will be eliminated. After extracting these facial regions, the feature extraction will be carried out. This feature extraction step, LBP, is used to extract the features. LBP is nothing but the local binary pattern which extracts the pattern regions presented in the facial regions. After extracting these facial features, we just concatenated these features as a feature vector. Then the facial expression recognition will be carried out by using the classification method. In this classification method, we using the support vector machine classifier for the classification. Hence, the support vector machine, we have to give the three things as an input. The first one is the test feature, then the second one is the train feature, then the third one is the target. The test feature represents the feature of the input image, then the train feature represents the feature of an dataset images. For example, if I have the dataset of the 50 images, means the whole 50 images features are taken as an train features. Then the target will be carried out. In this target, we represents the activity of the humans, that is the expressions. After giving these three as an input for the support vector machine, the output will be as a label format. By this label only we can justify the expression of the persons. After the classification, the performance estimation is done. This performance estimation, we just estimate the parameters like accuracy, sensitivity and specificity of the process. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first open the Matlab 2015 and change the current directory. Now if you want to execute the code means just right click main underscore the GUI.em and then select the option run. Now the initial GUI design was open. In that you can see the several file options in the top, and then the axis for the display purpose, and then the tabulation for display, and then the results are given here. Now give the file to input image. After clicking the button input image, the dataset folder was shown. In this dataset folder, just open the dataset and select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the input image from the dataset, the selected image is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. After the getting input image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing step, the filtering is done by using the Gaussian filter. Hence, the smoothened image is shown in the axis 2 with the title filtered image. Now the face identification is done. In this face identification, we done the two steps. First one is the face detection. Hence, the face detection results will be done by using the Violations method. Hence, the face detection result will be shown in the axis 3. It will take some time, then the results will be shown here like this. After the face detection, face extraction will be done. After that, the face extraction, the detected face regions will be extracted separately. Now the feature extraction is done by using the LBP. Now the feature values are shown here. Hence the corresponding feature pattern images is shown here. After the feature extraction, the feature classification is done by using the SVM. Hence the classified results will be shown here. Hence the expression which I have identified is the smile. Hence the result of the smile will be shown here. At last the performance is estimated. Now click the button performance. Now the performance will be calculated. Then the estimated time of the process, accuracy, sensitivity and specificity will be shown here like this. Thanks for watching this video.